Hey, it's Jared from Acro. Recently, I sat down with Nicole Donnelly for our 10 Things We Love About B2B E-Commerce webinar. Here's part of our conversation.
You need the willing customer that's also thinking like, okay, I want to order this at midnight, or you use that as an opportunity to expand globally. And you might be sleeping in North America, but everyone's awake over in China, Europe. So
yes, that's our second thing that's amazing about it, is that you can expand into completely new markets. So if you're like a regional manufacturer who's just serving who traditionally has been serving one small area, you got boots on the ground there, right? And like built your business, this traditional sales, maybe distribution channel. Now you can expand nationally and even globally with e-commerce. There's multiple storefront capabilities and be able to set up multiple languages so that you can, sell across the world. And what's great about that is it's so scalable and efficient because you don't need to have boots on the ground all over the world in order to sell, right? Like you just need a store and you can sell anywhere, and you don't have to worry about that investment in, human capital in some of those other areas of the world, right? You can just invest where you're at still locally, but have that broader reach.